Hello everyone, welcome to another Prime S4 demo series on S4HANA. In today's session, we'll be focusing on a new feature SAP S released recently, which is sales order scheduling using TM default route, lanes, or straight line duration. I am Bimal Subhakumar. I am based out of Denver, Colorado. I am accompanied by Rodrigo, who is based out of Brazil. So in the old days, whenever sales order scheduling used to happen, we had to use Elytra routes to provide transit time. With the latest release from SAP in 2023 service packs, we are able to use the transit time from TM master data. Not only transit time, the loading and unloading time also can be provided from TM. So for this, SAP uses something called Transportation Requirement Routing and Scheduling. It's the foundation module that supports various functions in TM, like route determination and scheduling opportunities. So this TRS can be used when calculating delivery dates of sales order. And we can also have a TRS test cockpit where users can simulate and validate the outcomes. In today's demo, we will create sales order in order to showcase these features. We create sales order without LE routes, and we will have 3 customers. One customer in which we have maintained a default route to show how the duration maintained in default route is used in sales order scheduling. Then customer 90, where we have maintained 5 days in transportation lane. For that specific customer, it's a point transportation lane, 5 days maintained. So how it is used when the default route is not available and it is available in sales order scheduling. And the final one, customer 89, where there are no lanes are maintained, but we can use straight line duration. So in order to do this, we maintain something in requirement routing profile, or we call it like TRS profile, and then where we can maintain the sequence in which the system looks at these different options available in a sequence and return the transit time. And once the data is available in the sales order, we save the sales order. And we also have a TRS cockpit running at the back to verify how SAP is calculating it, especially for the last scenario where there are no lanes maintained. Some of the benefits is like there is the reliable delivery time can be provided to the customers. Obviously, it will improve customer satisfaction because the scheduling is a lot more accurate. And we don't have to maintain the data both in lanes and Elytra routes. That used to be a common issue in the older releases, where we had to maintain Elytra routes in SAP Core S4 and TM lanes also, right? So these are the things that or other TM master data like routes and all. And there is a streamlined integration between warehouse and transportation for logistics once the dates are in place. So over to you, Rodrigo, to showcase how these demo can be done in the system. Thank you.
Okay, so let's create our first sales order. So select the material, quantity, then I'll hit enter and save the order. So this order is going to use default route. Okay, let's display this order. If we check here in the shipping tab, we will see that we have 20 days window between delivery date and loading date. So let's see where this came from. So here on the default route, we have the source destination. This is going via these ports. So we have a total duration of 20 days. Okay. So now let's jump to the other case. Okay, let's create the second order, which will use transportation lane data. Now we will save, display. If we check in the shipping tab, we will see a duration of 5 days, which came from here, the transportation lane. Let's create the next sales order. Same way we add quantity material, we save. If we display here in the shipping tab, we will see 3 days. Okay, so now let's check the TRS cockpit. So I have source destination. I would add here the sales order number. Here we can see the final results. So we have all the methods that were used to determine distance and duration. Here we can see our hierarchy, right? And here we have the departure, loading date, arrival date, which was calculated. Yeah, we have travel duration and also the distance. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed our demo. See you next time. If you have any questions, please contact us at contact@primus4.com. Thank you very much.